Diaphragmatic breathing is at the heart of the mind-body connection. Learn how to better fill your lungs and connect your breath to your movement. Today's breathing techniques can be done in a chair or even lying down in bed. So I'm going to start in the chair and scoot all the way back. Make sure your feet are flat on the floor and you're leaning back against the back of the chair for the moment. Place one hand on your belly and let's place the other hand on the chest. I invite you to close your eyes or unfocus your gaze so that you can pay attention to the feeling of the breath. As you start to slow your breathing down and make it a little more full and broad, pay attention to where you feel the breath in the body. Do you feel a lot of movement going on in the chest? That's okay, but let's move the breath down to the very lowest part of the belly. So as we inhale, we're going to inhale, and the hand that's on your abdominals is going to feel the movement as the belly rounds. And then as you exhale, feel the belly drop back towards the spine. So again, pay attention to the hand on your chest. Make sure there's no movement in the chest. We're going to center our breathing in the belly. So inhale and just relax your abdominal muscles and let your belly round, get big. There's a little more effort with the exhale. So as you exhale, draw the belly button in and even think of lifting it up gently towards the heart. Try and guide your breath into your belly, into your abdominal area. This is a diaphragmatic breath. So we're working the muscles of respiration. The diaphragm is that dome-shaped muscle that divides your abdominals from the thoracic region. As you inhale, the belly rises. And as you exhale, there's a little effort to move the belly button in and up. Let's spend just a few moments focusing on how the breathing feels and directing the breath into your belly. Exhaling to a 4 count and inhaling to a 4 count. The breath is expansive, but it's very comfortable. So an even rhythm and cadence. It feels very smooth, feels simple and comfortable. Let's take 2 more breaths at whatever speed that you're breathing right now. Relax your shoulders, your jaw. And just focus on the feeling of the breath. And when you're ready, just return to your normal breathing pattern for a second. So can you tell the difference when you're doing belly breathing and then with your normal breath throughout the day? Belly breathing is a great way to take a moment and just relax, relieve some tension. Let's add some movement to this type of belly breathing. So go ahead and scoot forward on your chair and we'll roll the shoulders back and down. Your hands can be on your thighs for the moment, or if you'd like, you can bring them to heart center. Make sure that your ears are over your shoulders and your shoulders are over your hips, And then let's inhale and bring the hands behind you for now. So we're gonna bring the palms forward, squeeze your back muscles, and expand the front of the body. And then exhale, hands can come to heart center. That's it. Inhale and exhale. If you'd like, you could place your hands on your thighs for a moment because we're gonna add some lower body movement. So inhaling, exhale, and start to press into the four corners of your feet. So push down, lift your heart, and feel your thighs engage, making sure that your knees feel wonderful. And then inhale, sit back up. So we're gonna move into a flowing chair. You can do this from the chair or from the side of the bed in a seated position. So we're just pushing into the floor. Good. So let's inhale, press the arms back. And exhale, hands to heart center. If you'd like, you can flow this into a chair position, sending energy down. Inhale. Exhale, get light in your chair. You can even hover over the chair. Inhaling and exhaling. Now, if you'd like, you can stay above the chair. And as you sink into this chair pose, make sure that your knees stay right over your feet. That's it. And then inhale here. Exhale back into the chair. Good. Inhale. And now we can add a little more sweep of the arms as they lift up shoulder high or maybe a little higher. Exhaling, down and back. Inhaling, up. Breathing. Do you feel the belly moving? Do you feel the heart lifting? Slow this down. Inhale and exhale. Or you can bring the hands to heart center. Let's do just a few more at whatever pace feels good to you. Easy breath. At the depth where your knees feel good. Great job.